Hi everybody, welcome back to Chatting Ladies. I'm Rachel. This is Sydney. As you all can see, I am at home and guess what I'm doing today? Lash extensions with the Lash Lofttt. Please follow them on Instagram. We are going to take you on the journey to show you what the setup is like. We're going to show you behind the scenes. You can do this in your living room, your bedroom, literally anywhere that you could lie down.
Even on your dining table.
If you want to lie down on a dining table, which I'm sure some of us have done already, you could do it. So keep on watching if you want to see the whole process of lash extensions.
Looking weird.
Oh no, it feels nice.
Yeah.
It's
She's very gentle though.
Tickly, yeah, her hands are really light to the touch.
So Sydney, what exactly are you doing here now? What are these pads?
Putting these pads on that have actually collagen in them.
Right.
So it's going to help with under eye circles and wrinkles, but also protecting the bottom lashes so that it doesn't get stuck.
Oh. Like painting a car.
Yep.
You gotta mask it off first.
So Sydney, what is the #1 myth about lash extensions?
So people always think that it is damaging to your real lash, but that is incorrect. Once you apply properly, it's fine.
And what do you think somebody who is doing it for the first time should ask the person who is doing it? Is there any information you should ask first?
Yeah, like what ingredients your glue has to know if you are allergic to it.
Right.
That's basically #1 thing. You wanna trade?
The things women go through.
How long have I feel that for?
Not long.
Well, no, I will.
Oh my god, it feels so nice.
So Rachel,
Hi.
how do you feel about somebody this close to your eyes with tweezers?
So normally, if I feel that you're coming close to my eyes, I'm having like a fit.
Right.
But Sydney has like the softest touch that I've ever felt. Like she's really good at this. I don't feel anything.
Well,
like
that's
nothing.
awesome.
It's so soft. It's almost like I can see why clients will fall asleep doing this. The only reason I haven't fallen asleep is because y'all are around me.
Yeah.
But other than that, I would have been sleeping already. It's so soft and like pleasurable. And that's it, guys. So you'll have seen the entire process, well, most of it at least. And I don't know if you can see the difference on camera. I will be posting photos on my Instagram and on my Insta stories. But this is the beautiful girl that came to my home and did it, and she could do that for you all as well. This is probably the best thing that I've done this year. You know why though? Because I am shit at putting on like lash bands. Like sometimes I do real good makeup and then try to put on the lash band and it doesn't work and I rip them off and then there's glue and there's a whole mess. And I don't know if you all deal with that, but if you all have similar problems, Sydney could come to your home and do the same effect. Like I can't stop touching it. It's so cute.
Close your eyes, let's see them.
Wow.
Yeah, they're so cute. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
So
Imagine
any
you could just get off your bed and go.
I could get off my bed and look like this.
Yeah.
I'm not wearing any makeup, obviously, because she had to do all of this. But yeah, you could wake up in the morning and not have to worry about, I mean, just fix your eyebrows maybe, and your lashes are ready to go. Exfoliate your lips, ladies.
Yeah.
Don't forget that. But yeah, any questions you all have about the process, about the pricing, all that, check out The Lash Lofttt on Instagram, and I will put the link in the description. Feel free to ask any questions, even in this comment section, and she will try her best to answer you all. All her information is going to be there for you. But thank you all for staying with me for the entire time. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and share, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.